Hello everyone, I am Purnaday Donadkar. I am from Gadchiroli, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in the stream of electrical engineering from Nagpur University. After that, I was preparing for government job but not getting success. Then I was searching for a job. Then my friend suggested me to join eVision. eVision Technosol is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I had joined full day job internship program. Uh, in that internship, I got to know about networking, CCNA, Windows administration, ITIL, troubleshooting, cyber security. The total training was excellent, and I got many interviews and finally selected in ITC Infotech with CTC of 3.1 LPA. So I would like to say thank you to all the members of eVision team. So thank you so much eVision.